mulching, spray off everything, clean it up, and that'll be it, guys. Stay tuned. This is fun. Just put in the ground, and come back, put on weed barrier, and then come back, put mulch in, spray it off, clean in. That'll be it for this first flower bed. So guys, mistakes happen on jobs all the time. It was super windy today, first of all. I didn't bring my hammer to nail in the stakes of the nails. So this weed barrier took longer than expected. This normally would have took me maybe, I don't know, 5 to 15 minutes at the very tops. And it'll take almost 30 minutes. Things just kept kicking back up. That's only my fault for not bringing the right stuff. It happens. But I was still able to get it done, but the wind just kept kicking things up. You'll see here in a second, I'll roll this out, and then you come back, I move on down to do another section, and the weed barrier just pops right back up. The person next door does not work for me. It was just another house that was getting sold right here in Killeen, Texas. There just happened to be a woman out there working. That's pretty crazy. She did a great job on the flower beds. I'll see if I can get some pictures for you guys. But yep, right here. You see where the stuff popped back up, but like I said, that's my fault. I'm not bringing the stuff that I needed. I thought I could get away with it, without, even though it's windy, but what happens is karma gets you, So yeah, what I thought would be easy took longer than expected because I did not bring what I needed. Just a hammer and some long nails, that's it, because it's super windy. So I tried to get away with it using a mulch, just pack it in certain areas. It did work, but as you see, certain areas are still flying up. I slowly got it under control, and that was it. Super windy out here at Lowe's. This is my third trip this morning. My hands are dirty. I'm loving the job. A couple bags short on materials. That happens. Come back, get some more. Gotta do what you gotta do. So I was here earlier, but the homeowner and the client, the realtor and the homeowner, wanted more mulch and a couple more plants. She was like, it's not enough. I want to get the flower bed a lot more fuller. Hey, it happens. And guess what? As a boss man, and as my clients being my boss, I have no problem doing it. I don't mind. If you want to get your flower bed fuller, I definitely will do it. I didn't even upcharge them. Always go above and beyond. Go above and beyond, don't upcharge, just do it. They'll appreciate it. They'll call you back again. So I don't mind. But yeah, we're at Lowe's, about to head out here. The last load today. Get this flower bed finished up, and that's it. Then head home, get my edits done, spend time with the family, eat, work out, and rinse and repeat tomorrow. Killeen, Texas. Sorry guys, it's real windy, but that's it. New plants, new mulch, clean up everything. Everything's all sprayed in. Super windy. That's it.
Hey, let's go. You guys have to try this. It's rich, silky, totally addictive. Right now, get 15% off plus free shipping. Search the brand on TikTok to grab yours now.
Stadium energy, but nobody wants stadium grass prices.
Bro, this ain't a yard anymore. This is World Cup turf.
Texas Morgans, making America look game ready.